Hi, I'm Pearl from JCI, and today I'm with...
James.
Chris.
Kalel.
Okay, so today guys, you were only like 7. So how did you guys play with only 7 players?
7 old players.
Yeah, 7 actually old
Siya lang
players.
yung bata. Kaya siya talaga yung game changer. Bata yung
Actually, lahat kami na-inspired dumating si James. Yun talaga yun eh.
Well, bottom line siguro, we had lost the other game. So nag-usap kami na we want to be here early. In fact, 9:30 na kami. Para at least we can concentrate more. Yun, which worked naman. Kasi lahat naman chipped in. And all of us, we were relaxed. Especially si Roman relaxed. Galing matapos.
Okay, and then first, sir, kamusta naman yung 28 points niyo today?
Nakapagod.
Ang nagulat dun kalahati, shumut.
Wow.
Kasi kadalasan 1/4 lang.
Hindi ako si Roman. Medyo chamba lang. Medyo maganda siguro yung game. Kaya, kahapon wala tayong game kahapon. So,
Ano meron? Bakit maganda gising mo?
hindi ako natulog.
Eh, yung 10 assists niyo, sir.
Hindi. May tiwala lang kasi ako kay James. Kasi kumbaga, wingman ko yan.
And syempre, wag natin kalimutan yung game changer.
May ginawa ba ako?
Marami.
Marami.
Thank you.
Okay, so ano sa tingin niyo yung advantage niyo from the other team for today?
Matanda kami.
Alas siguro kami. Sila umiinom sila lagi kami.
Bible study. Bible study uwi. Usually ano lang kami, beer pong ng course. Tapos Monopoly. Tapos uwi na. The bottom line kasi magkaibigan kami off the court. So, may tiwala kami sa isa't isa. On and off the court.
Matalo manalo naman, masaya naman kami lagi.
Masaya kami like kasi care of Eric eh.
Kailangan kasi natin ng ano? Ano sabi niya?
Yung incentive program
Kaya
natin.
next week kailangan manalo tayo.
Pag next week nanalo, may incentive program kami.
Ano?
Okay lang daw ma-default yung next game basta makuha na yung incentive.
Ano yung incentive na to?
Depende na sa kanya yun kasi
Coupon ata eh.
may coupon kami sa Coffee Roti. Unlimited coffee ban. Unlimited coffee ban. Oo.
So, anong i-expect ko sa next games niyo, guys?
Fresh kami ulit.
Saka
fresh pa
game
today.
changer.
Si Game Changer maaga sana wag na pupuntang Bulacan.
Oo nga, medyo malayo to last week. Kaya kami natalo talaga. Kasi
Late.
Galing siyang Bulacan.
Mali ako ng turn.
Nag-visa na punta siya.
Alright, and then, so, good luck guys in your next game. Sana matuloy yung trip to Macau ninyo. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.